In this video I'm going to teach you how does the iterative deepening algorithm works. As you know, in the artificial intelligence domain, we have search problems which divided into two types, uninformed and informed search. So let's check the specific of the iterative deepening algorithm. As you can see, it is from an uninformed search kind. It combines the breadth first search and depth first search techniques. It is complete if the B or branching factor is finite. It is optimal if the path cost is non-decreasing function of the depth. And time complexity is from the order of B power D. And space complexity is from the order of D, which D is the depth of the least cost solution. Here you see that we have the graph like below. We have a starting vertex here assigned with S and the termination vertex assigned with T here. We want to solve this graph using iterative deepening algorithm. Before just starting, I just want to mention that we should do not pay attention to the weights or numbers are written on the edge of the graph, because this is from the uninformed search kind. So let's see how we solve this graph here. Okay, let me choose a pen. Okay, as you see, we have the starting point here. We are at the first level, we are at the depth equal 1. Okay, at depth equal 1, we have just like this. If I want to show this on the graph, we divide it like this. So we start from the S, and then we open the left node, which means U, and then right node, which is P here. And as you see, we do not get to the T or termination vertex, so we just open this vertex in the graph and this one as sequence. Okay. Now in the second level, in the first level we have opened the U and P. In the second level, let me see what we have. We have U and P open. Okay, from the U, we can see the V here and X here. So I write it down, V here and X here. And from the P, we can reach to the X from here and Q from the here. Okay, so I write it down like this. So in the second level, we open the V, X from the U and P, and then Q, which I just want to sign. It would be like this. So we do not get to the solution in the second level. So let's see what we have in the third level. Okay, we have depth equal 1, open the U and P, and in the depth equal 2, we open the V, X, and Q. Okay, so we open this, and this one. Okay, as you see, we have the V vertex here, which means here. So from the V, we can get to the W in the depth equal 3. We reach to W, and from the X, as you can see, we can reach to the Y, and also we can reach to the V and Q, which were opened before. Well, I just want to write it like this. And from the Q, as you can see, we can reach to the R here. So the graph would be like this. We open this, and this one. W, Y, R. So in the next level, the fourth level or fourth depth, we have here P equal 1. We open S, U, P. We open V, depth equal to, we open V, X, and Q. In the depth equal 3, we open the W. From X we open the Y, and from Q we open the R. So we open these ones, and I want to show you. So from the W we have here, we can reach to the T. We start from the left side, so if I open the W, I'll get to the T, which is our final node, and we solve the solution very easily.